2020 season has been quite tough with the COVID that stopped the start of the season.
The COVID-19 affected the MotoGP it affected the normal life. Dorna has been obliged to postpone the start of the season, cancel races.
We are fighting, normally we are championship with the competitors in the garage, but we have to fight against the COVID situation. So every minute is something stressful.
After 8 long months without racing, MotoGP is back. And away we go. Good start from Maverick Viñales. He's got that.
Mi temporada 2020 ha sido una temporada muy complicada. Está claro que el campeonato pues, lo hemos hecho muy diferente, pero lo positivo es que se ha podido correr y eso creo que ha facilitado mucho tanto para las factories como para nosotros para seguire in un buon livello e para seguire trabajando.
È stata una stagione particolare con questo Covid e abbiamo dovuto fare tante gare di fila, è stato difficile anche allenarsi perché comunque dovevi stare chiuso dentro casa. Anche quando le cose vanno male e non bisogna mollare, non bisogna mai arrendersi o lasciarsi andare perché comunque lavorando, rimanendo concentrati è sempre la cosa migliore per riuscire a raggiungere i propri obiettivi.
Maverick this year started really well. He arrived in Jerez very focused and he did 2 second place in the first 2 races.
We had some scary moments. One where the bike of Zarco flew over his head, just centimeters from his head. So great fortune. And then I think of the brake incident we had there where Maverick had to jump off the bike at more than 220k.
We really appreciate his professional mind. In that kind of a difficult situation, he never lose, be calm and positive to find something good from a difficult situation.
Valentino's had the toughest season. 2 technical failures on the bike. Then there were 3 races when he fell, when he was challenging and he was in a good position to make a good race result. And then he had 2 races that he missed through COVID.
We know that he will have another revenge or his revenge next year when he will race for the Petronas Yamaha Sepang Racing Team.
In that kind of difficult moment, his experience and his word have a big meaning to understand, to help the Yamaha and to help to understand our bike and the other young riders.
Well, if I can summarize our performance for 2020 for the team, it has been a remarkable year.
È stata una stagione decisamente positiva per me, per tutta la squadra, per tutto il team.
Ça a été une saison avec des hauts et des bas, mais on peut être vraiment satisfait des 3 victoires et du travail qu'on a fait cette année avec le team et Yamaha.
È l'ultimo anno per me con il team Yamaha Factory, tanti bei ricordi e questi 15 anni sono stati una parte fondamentale della mia carriera ma anche una parte molto importante della mia vita e quindi mi porto dietro tanti bei rapporti e tanti amici.
like to just say thank you very much to all of the people involved in our project. We have many partners that are essential for us to go racing. And this year I think was very difficult for them. Normally we welcome our sponsors at every single race, and this year that was not to be. But nevertheless, they all continue to support us, and they will all continue to support us next year into the future. So I want to say a huge thank you to you for also allowing us to make this happen, and I hope to see you next year.